Hello and welcome to Titbit English channel. In today's lesson, you will practice speaking English with me. Listen carefully and repeat each sentence after me. Speaking out loud helps improve your pronunciation and confidence. Let's begin. Let's learn some greetings. Repeat after me. Hello. Hello. Good morning. Good morning. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Good evening. Good evening. How are you? How are you? I am doing well. I am doing well. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. It's good to see you. It's good to see you. Now, let's look at some daily conversation. Repeat after me. How was your day? My day was great. My day was great. I had a busy day today. I had a busy day today. I am feeling tired today. I am feeling tired today. I need some rest. I need some rest. I am looking forward to the weekend. I am looking forward to the weekend. Now, let's look at some sentences about making plans. Repeat after me. What are your plans today? What are your plans today? I have a few things to do. I have a few things to do. I need to finish my work. I need to finish my work. I will go to the gym later. I will go to the gym later. I will meet my friend later. I will meet my friend later. I am planning to relax tonight. I am planning to relax tonight. Now, some sentences used at work. Repeat after me. I have an important meeting today. I have an important meeting today. I need to complete this task. I need to complete this task. Let's start the meeting. Let's start the meeting. Can you help me with this? Can you help me with this? I will send you an email. I will send you an email. Thank you for your help. Thank you for your help. Now, sentences used at a restaurant. Repeat after me. Can I see the menu? Can I see the menu? I would like to order food. I would like to order food. I would like a cup of coffee. I would like a cup of coffee. Can I have some water? Can I have some water? This food is delicious. This food is delicious. May I have the bill, please? May I have the bill, please? Now, asking questions. Repeat after me. Where are you from? Where are you from? What do you do for work? What do you do for work? How long have you lived here? How long have you lived here? What do you like to do in your free time? What do you like to do in your free time? Do you enjoy traveling? Do you enjoy traveling? What is your favorite hobby? What is your favorite hobby? Now, expressing opinions. Repeat after me. I think this is a great idea. I think this is a great idea. I completely agree with you. I completely agree with you. That sounds interesting. That sounds interesting. I'm not sure about that. I'm not sure about that. Let me think about it. Let me think about it. That makes sense. That makes sense. Now, talking about feelings. Repeat after me. I feel happy today. I feel happy today. I am excited about tomorrow. I am excited about tomorrow. I feel a little nervous. I feel a little nervous. I feel relaxed today. I feel relaxed today. I feel motivated today. I feel motivated today. I feel confident today. I feel confident today. Great job practicing today. Now we have a question for you. Which sentence was the most useful for you today? Write your answer in the comments below. Keep practicing and speaking English every day. See you in the next lesson.